Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can activate Talkback in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First, go to the settings of your phone here and go to accessibility. Then go to Talkback and turn on the button here. Give all permissions and Talkback will be activated.
Welcome to Talkback.
And it will give you instructions on how to proceed further.
For situations or people who have Next button.
If you click on one item, it will read what it is. Here it reads next. Okay, so you can hear the voice and then you can understand that what it is. Okay, then to go there, just you go to double click on it. Okay,
explore by touch. Page
now I tap
button,
here.
Window navigation bar.
This is navigation bar and this is home button. Okay, home button on navigation bar. Just if you want to go there, what you have to do is just double tap on it and it will go.
Talkback to make and double tap to activate. Explore by home. Home.
Okay.
Weather. Double tap and drag to move in pager.
Suppose if you want to get the notification area, you go to
notification shade.
Swipe like this with the two fingers. You go to swipe down. Okay.
Notification shade. Double tap and hold to long press.
Then if you want to see this notification, tap on it and double tap on it.
WhatsApp.
It will open that.
WhatsApp.
Okay.
Home button. Window navigation bar. Home. Weather.
So in this way you can easily navigate. So to go to the particular item like Google Play, or if you want to open any other app, whatever may be. To go on this side, you go to use double finger swipe. Okay.
Home. Home. Pay calendar out of.
See here.
Samsung.
Okay. Suppose if you want to open any app here, tap on the open, tap on the app and double tap on it. It will open. So in this way, you can easily activate Talkback.
Home button, window navigation bar. Crycaroos. Unlabeled button. Detected icon menu.
That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.